What's going on, traders? Welcome to our channel. Elections is going on right now today in the United States. Voters are voting for Trump or for Biden. The charts are not moving. The reaction in the market is mixed. Nobody knows what prices are going. However, I have something to tell you which you know why you click this video or watching it is because I strongly believe the price of gold will crash. We're going to consider past history, right? We're going to consider the technical analysis, what happened November 2016, right, during the previous election. And we're also going to consider what is happening right now, technical analysis right now, today, November 3rd, and a live chart as well between gold and US dollar. And then we're going to consider the sentiment analysis. And finally, we are going to draw our conclusions. So, before we begin, let's show the intro. So welcome back, traders. Let's now go right into the chart, right, to consider what is going on in the market. Okay, so here 4 reasons why we believe price of gold will crash. Okay, now reason number 1, technical analysis of November 2016. So let's go back down memory lane to November 2016. Hey traders, so here we are in daily charts, daily candlestick pattern. Hey traders, so here we are. This is the daily time frame of the gold USD 2016 November. Okay, so what do we have here? What can we see? What is the chart telling us? Okay, so between July, August, September, October, yeah, prior to elections, right, that was the activity in the market. So what was going on? Price was busy. Price broke this resistance level, turned support, rallied up, came back down. Now resistance is turned support. Okay, so it bounced off again. It bounced off again. However, it made this pattern in the market, and in the ending part of October, right, price finally broke down this support, which now turned resistance. However, interestingly, we find something of noteworthy here. Now, price in the month of October, price broke, right, and it found support in this previous low here, as you can see. Okay, and so having found support in those areas, price started to rise back up gradually again. However, just before the elections kicked off, okay, what happened? Price rallied up, came back down, and we can see the movement, pure bullish pressure in the market. Okay, so what is the technical telling us right here, as we have seen from what happened? Okay, this is previous history. There's not much ado to it. The price broke support. Okay, support now turned resistance. Okay, during the month of October, then the month of November, price started to rise gradually. They are buyers in the market. Okay, it's almost trying to create this beautiful W formation. Okay, so that was the situation of things in the month of November, almost in the beginning of November, early November, right? And so what happened? Take a look at these candles here. On October 31st, 2016, bullish pressure, buyers stepped into the market. Okay, and then we have November 1st, 2016, more bullish pressure. Okay, November 2nd, more bullish pressure. Okay, November 3rd, on the day of the election. Okay, right, what did we see? The bullish pressure is now fading out. Look at this candle here. Okay, instead of the candle to close, right, so bullish, it gave us a hanging man formation right there, close to this support, now turned resistance in this area right here. Okay, and immediately after that, November 4th as well, more bullish pressure, however lacking weight. Okay, all the buyers in the market started to close out their positions. Okay, remember, election results as of this time are not yet out, just as we are having right now. Okay, this is the following day. Then November 5th, something interestingly happened. November 6th, November 7th, okay? Sellers stepped into the market and they drove price down with this big engulfing candle, or you can call it the Maburuzo candle, like the Japanese people call it, okay? Maburuzo means bad head. It signifies a lot of either bearish or bullish pressure in the market, as in this case, a lot of bearish presence or bearish pressure from the sellers in the market. And what next happened? Price continued to close lower. However, on November 9th, buyers stepped into the market. This is a terrible, news week, okay? This whole week right here, news. That's why it is terrible to stay on the chart, keeping your live trades on running during a period like this. So what happened? Terrible news came out that I don't remember what happened actually, but we see buyers step back into the market and drove price high up, breaking the previous levels of support high up, okay? However, they were unable to close the price. So if you were in the trade and you put your stop loss here or here or here or here, guess what happened? Your trades will be stopped out. Then sellers stepped into the market back again and drove price down. And you see this long, terrible kangaroo tail here. Close like this, okay? Or you can call it a doji, anyone you want to call it, okay? And so subsequently what happened? Price fell back down, okay? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So what does this information tell us? Irrespective of whoever is going to win, we knew, right? Trump won the last time, okay? But this was the situation we had back then, okay? See how price, formed. Came back up, spiked back down. Okay, so this was a technical analysis, what happened last time. Okay, so now let's jump into our present day today and consider what is happening in the charts right now. Now we have an idea. We know prices slumped, during the 2016 general election. Now we are in 2020. What is happening in the live market? What is the technical showing us? What is the chart telling us actually? What is the story the chart is telling us? Remember, we are on a daily time frame, okay? Now, look at the structure of the market. The market has been rallying up from the downside, okay? With so much bullish pressure from the downside, okay? And it found resistance here. Boom. So, we can say we have a high here, okay, a high. Here we had a resistance. We now have another high, okay, and still further high, and again we have a high here as well. And then can we just pick some few support levels? This high are definitely our resistance level. And then we can see what happened here. Resistance level, support level, right? And then we have further support level at this area right here. Good. So now we know the range in which we are working at. So what does this technicals tell us? Price has been falling down gradually, okay, just as it did during 2016. This is gold USD. Price has been falling down. However, in the month of September, it found strong support here. Prices bounced off the support first time, second time, a third time. Okay, boom, 1, 2, 3, very strong level of support. Now, in the month of October, just as it happened last year, 2016 as well, right? Price broke support, created a new lower low, came back to retest the support, now turned resistance, and created a new lower low. Okay, and prices found support here under the new lower low, and price, buyers stepped into the market, drove price back up. However, we'll have support turned resistance here. Price fell back down again, second time, again the third time, and again we have support, the previous support being tested, and it is holding. This is the current situation we are now having in gold US dollar. Will this situation, will it continue to last? Will it stick like this or no? For us to get a very clear, further discussions on it, further more technicals, let's go to the 4-hour time frame and to see what we've got. Now, in the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? What are we seeing? Price is trying to close at this highs here. Okay, right now it has tested this level. It is not a major level, right, of resistance. We have our major levels, which is just above of it. Here is a major level of resistance because it's been tested twice, and price has not been able to, go and test it again. It found another minor resistance here, and now we are on the minor resistance, which price is testing right now. And you can see what's going on right here. A beautiful inverted head and shoulders pattern. Okay, this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the head. And what do we have here? Price is currently stalling. Okay, currently what do we know? We know of the momentum of a bullish pressure, right? We know price is always breaking minor resistance level. However, at this point in time, price is unable to break the minor resistance level, and it's even unable to fall back down. Price is just stalling, friends, guys. Look, this is the live chart. Okay, this is the live chart. XAU USD. This is gold. Let's move down to the 1-hour time frame to see what we've got. Okay, and now from the 1-hour time frame, you can see prices is clearly making higher lows and higher highs, higher high, higher low. Higher high, you can consider this as a higher low. If you come down to the lower time frame, you see it there, and it's also created a new higher high, and it's come back to retest the previous higher low. What can we say about this? Of course, this is a very good buy situation. This is a very beautiful buy situation. Anybody can put a buy trade here now and expect price to push up. Why? Because we are in an uptrend. Okay, even though we have this my little resistance coming up in this area, we can confidently believe we can buy this market up. Why? Because see, we have a hammer here in the low, another hammer here, and price is trying to close up. But what does previous history tell us? Previous history told us back in November 2016, price fell down just the second day after elections. Okay, price fell down. But does that mean price will actually fall down here? Before we answer that question, let's go check out the sentiment report concerning gold USD. Okay, so let's head on to dailyfx.com. You go to the sentiment report, the IG sentiment report, and just look ahead. Just check this area right here. You see gold, right? What is the conclusion? You say it is mixed, no clear direction. Not in neither up nor down. Okay, so will price break above it? Let's see what the fundamentals are saying. The news is saying gold price forecast, gold tradings, election night breakout. Will it break out of that high? Will it break above that resistance level where it is currently stalling right now? We cannot tell because the present situation of the market condition right now, it is stalling. Prices are stalling right there. There is no movement. Okay, so looking at the IG sentiment report for the gold, what do we see? We can see clearly that traders have been gradually buying the prices of gold. Okay, they are buying, to the upside. However, prices of gold has been doing something else differently. Why traders are buying? Okay, like this. See what price is doing. Price is coming back down. Okay, see prices of gold, it's coming down. Okay, why traders are buying? Two different opposite direction. So what does this tell us? Will price automatically go up from here? right, rise up? Unlikely. It doesn't show. It doesn't sound like it doesn't show like price is going to rise up anytime soon. Okay, so this is what is happening. While the majority of the crowd is going to one direction, price on the other hand is going to another direction. So conclusively, what can we deduce from our findings so far? Is it going to be Trump? Is it going to be Biden? Irrespective of whoever it is, okay, it is most likely most likely going to see price stall at this level, okay, or it might give a false breakout, come back into it, find resistance here, and price slump. Because last year as well, right, for the Euro USD, this is exactly what happened. For the gold, this is exactly what happened for in the year 2016, and now it is about to occur again. So if you want to see the video where we did our analysis for the Euro USD, how price fell, okay, I will put the link in the description. Description in this video, you can click on it and look. Right now we are still on the election time, okay, results are not out yet, but we have done this analysis, okay. So after election, okay, you can come back to this video to confirm if what we have said is correct. So friends, what is our conclusion? Please, this is not financial advice, disclaimer, okay. We are not giving you any financial advice here. We are not saying go and buy or sell the gold right now, okay. So everything we are saying is of our own opinion. This is of my own personal opinion. I strongly believe price of gold will crash, okay, because if price of gold will continue to rise back up from this bullish pressure, okay, nothing should stop prices here. We should continue to see price make higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. However, price has been stalling at minor resistance level. So what do we expect? We expect price to break up, break back in, and find its way back down, creating lower lows and lower highs. This is definitely what we think and what I believe price is gonna do, okay. Price will slump. So let's watch out for this and see how this plays out, guys. So that's the end of this video, friends. If you like this video, if you want us to create more content like this, please smash the like button, hit subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, take care.